Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tuesday and I love unboxing fashion with all of you. I'm currently outside today. My office is a hot mess right now. I did a little bit of a closet cleanse this weekend and I have all of this clothing piled up all over my filming space, stuff that needs to be sorted through to decide what's going to Goodwill and what's going to get sold. And I was just like, I can't do this right now, but I have a Stitchfix box that I wanted to share with y'all, so I decided to come out here on my patio, hashtag patio life, and share it with you. So let's get into it. Stitchfix is a styling and shopping service that is personalized to you. The styling part of it, which is what we're going to see today, entails assigning you a stylist. You take a quiz telling them a little bit about your style, things you like, things you don't like. They send you a box of clothes, 5 items at a time, to your house where you can try everything on in the comfort of your own closet with things that you already own, which I think is the best part. And then you keep what you like and then you send the rest back. There is a $20 styling fee for this service, but that $20 is applied towards anything you decide to keep in that box. All right, let's do it. The first item that I'm going to show you is a piece of jewelry. I'm always excited when there's like a box or bag in my box because it means it's going to be something special, either jewelry or shoes or like a purse or something. But this is a piece of jewelry. This is the Marlyn Schiff Coatile multi-strand bracelet set in a turquoise. And this is it. I really love the coloring on it. It's kind of got this turquoise with brushed gold on it, kind of like it's a little like tarnished, but it's not. Multi-strand, it's tied together, although you could untie it, of course, and wear these separately, but that's the first item. The next is a kind of halter top, and it has a very boho vibe to it. This is it here. I think the colors are really pretty. I love the tassels on the front. This is the Luck Rachell tie detail halter top. They sent it to me in a large. It's really cute. That's the detail on the bottom. All right, and then, of course, this is funny. So I was a theater kid in high school, and one of the things that we always learned was to never turn your back to the camera, and there I just did it, so sorry guys. Anyways, this shirt is just a t-shirt. I saw it in the preview that they sent me and thought I would give it a try, although I don't usually go for t-shirts with pockets on the chest because I'm already larger busted. A pocket just visually accentuates that, but sometimes you luck out if it's the right kind of pocket. Sometimes it works, so I thought I would give this a shot because I do need some just straight up t-shirts, white, black, other colors, and so I thought I would just give this one a try. This one's by Marlyn and Spruce, and they also sent this one to me in a large. It's the Hannah V-neck pocket knit tee. All right. Next is a pair of denim shorts here. These are by Flag and Anthem, brand I've never heard of. They're button fly, distressed cutoffs in this kind of bleached out wash. Super cute, pretty straightforward. I love a denim cutoff. I'm gonna be living in them all summer, I believe. So nothing there that I don't like. And then the last item that's part of the box is this button-down shirt in these pastel stripes. I think this is kind of cool. I love a button-down shirt just generally, although all mine are white. So it would be nice to have something that had some color to it or whatever. Again, it's a thing with the pockets. Not all, I think only one of my button-down shirts has a pocket on the front. It's because I stole it from my husband, so I didn't have a choice. But I do usually try to avoid pockets on the front. and with this one being a contrasting print, I feel like it's going to be even more pronounced, but we'll see. I love the weight of the material, and it's actually designed really well. I think this, it feels like it's either like 100% cotton or cotton blend. It is cotton and modal, which is even better. It means it's going to be soft. It should hold up a little better in the wash, but it's still going to be that super lightweight, cool fabric, perfect for the summer. You could roll up the sleeves, do a little French tuck or something, or just wear it out. You know, all the cool girls are doing that now. All right, and this is by a company called Beach Lunch Lounge. Say that 3 times fast. It's the TBD button down top. Okay, and they sent it to me in a large as well. All right, so that's everything that my stylist sent me, and I am still with the same stylist, Mary, who I've been with the last few boxes. But this was like a quick turnaround box, so I didn't ask for anything specific. So there's that. I also ended up with like a credit for the Freestyle shop, which is the shop where you can actually pick things yourself. And I usually have pretty good luck in the Freestyle shop. So since I had a credit, I went ahead and got this tank top. I already have it in 2 other colorways, so I was, 100% on how it was going to fit. I just wanted to make sure that I love the coloring, and I know I'm going to, but I will try it on for you guys so you can see it in case you haven't seen me in the last 2 versions of this. Okay, that is everything in the box. I'm going to do a try on, and let's get into it now. Okay, I decided to have a seat for the rest of this video. It's easier to stand when you're trying to show off clothes, but easier to sit when you're trying to talk about them. Whatever. All right, let's start with this halter style top. I love the color. I think it's really cute. I put it on with a bra that had kind of fun, fancy strap on it, so that way it went a little bit better. I am, like I said, busty, so I need to have the support of a bra, meaning that I usually pass on halter tops or sleeveless, or I should say strapless tops, that kind of thing, because I don't want to wear a strapless bra. But if I can figure out a way to wear a pretty bra with it, I'll do it. This is one of those kinds of tops that I think I could get away with what I was wearing underneath. I really love the tassels on it. I thought those were super cute. This has more of a kind of a boho California vibe to it, which is not 100% my style, but I don't hate it either. And with the temperatures going up so quickly around here, I mean, I'm gonna need all of the hot weather clothes I can get my hands on. Like I just said, I did a closet cleanse just this weekend, and I realized that I am missing a lot of key elements in my wardrobe as far as the summer goes, and so it's time to stock up. So this is a really cute piece. I don't know if it's exactly what I need right now, but I do like it. All right, next let's talk about this black shirt. I mean, it's a shirt. It's a nice material. I think it's well, I won't think, I'll tell you. It's rayon spandex, so it has a really nice like drape to it and feel to it. I know it's gonna wash really well, and it's by Marlyn and Spruce. This is an in-house brand for Stitchfix, and the pieces that they have in that collection are just, they hold up pretty well. I just really don't love the pocket that's on this shirt. It just kind of hangs there in a weird way. I would like this shirt a lot more if it didn't have a pocket. Thankfully, this shirt is very similar to one that I had special ordered from Amazon, and so I'll probably just repeat my Amazon order if I decide I need a black tee that has this kind of drapey feel to it. There's nothing wrong with the shirt. It's just not my preference as far as having that pocket on the chest, and so yeah. Okay, next let's talk about this striped shirt. Okay. I really like the way it feels. I love that it's this very cool fabric. Even as I'm out here on this patio where it's starting to heat up a little bit, it feels very cool. I love that the sleeves are long enough to roll up and kind of push up on the arm. It has this very cool girl vibe, which is totally me. I I love the length of it. It has a little bit of oversizedness to it, but not too much. They sent it to me in a large. I feel like for what it is, it fits true to size. Of course, if you wanted a little more fitted, then you would size down, but I like that oversized look. I love the way that this has enough fabric to kind of tuck in or tie in the front, or you could wear it like a million different ways. The one thing I don't like about this shirt is the colorway. It's just the pastels I think are too cool. If they were a little warmer, I might be more interested. If it was just a whole nother solid color, maybe. I really like this shirt. I just don't really love the coloring on it. So that's probably gonna make me pass on it. And I have another shirt that I just ordered from Amazon's The Drop that's similar, that's arriving in a little more warm pink. And so this is really cute. I had high hopes for this actually. When I pulled it out of the box, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. But when I put it on, I just don't think the coloring is really doing anything for my complexion. And so I have some second thoughts on that. Okay, let's talk about these shorts. Again, overall, I really like them. I love a cutoff. I love that it's distressed. I love that it's button fly. I love the coloring on it. They fit really well. Me and high waist anything are BFFs, so I love everything about that. My misgiving on these is the back pockets. I know it's me in the pockets today. Sorry. I feel like they're spread too far apart. Now you can't tell when I'm holding them up, but in the video and when I look in the mirror, I just feel like the pockets come out too far to the edges on both sides, thus making me look wider in the rear than I actually am. Now y'all already know I am curvilicious, so I don't need any extra anything to make me look curvy. So if you're smaller in the back, this might be something nice that you like, that the pockets are spread apart a little bit, they're a little bit smaller, and they will make your rear look a little rounder and wider. But I don't really need that help in the back. So yeah, I'm gonna look at these some more just to make sure, because I do like these shorts. I really do. I'm just, when I looked in the mirror at them, I was like, whoa, what's going on here? Like something seems off, and then I realized it was the pockets. So there's that. Right quick, I'll show y'all the bracelet. I put it on and tried it, and it's very pretty. Again, has that kind of boho California girl vibe to it, which I really think is cute. It's not totally me, but it is cute. Although I could see myself getting wear out of this with a lot of the black and white stripes that I have in my collection. However, my chagrin with this, there's just like one small detail that is driving me crazy. My problem with this is that it pinches the hair on my arm. You know, sometimes beaded bracelets, when they're on elastic and they keep snapping back, they will grab like skin and hair on your wrist, and that is what is happening here. And so I just feel like it's just little tiny pulls every time I move, and that's really irritating. So I will definitely be passing on this. Okay, before we wrap up with the try on, let me show you this Market and Spruce striped tank top. Like I said, I have this in 2 other colorways, so I'm not worried about how it will fit, or I wasn't worried about how it would fit. I love it. I love the color on it. This is gonna be something that I go to again and again. And I think if I had to pick a tank top out of this box, this, you know, I would love this over the boho one. I'll get so much more wear out of this than I will this boho one, because although I really love the pattern on the more boho one, it's just not me. This is much more me. Okay, we are gonna go right down the receipt. Starting with the Beach Lunch Lounge Paisley button down top, which is this one here. They sent it to me in a large. It does run true to size. It is slightly oversized, not a lot, just slightly. It's $58. I think this is really cute, and I would totally pay for this if the colorway was just something a little bit different. I'm gonna look at the video just one more time to make sure that I'm not passing on something that I'm gonna regret later, but I'm pretty sure that that's not gonna stay with me. Next is the Flag and Anthem Ainsley high-rise frayed hem short in a light blue. They sent these to me in a 10, which is my regular pant size. They do run true to size. They're $49.50, a little pricey for cutoffs, but not unreasonably so. I think I have another pair of cutoffs that I got from Stitchfix that were probably around the same price, and I wear them all the time. My problem is the back pockets, again, is something where I'm gonna have to look at the video to make sure I'm not losing my mind, but I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna pass on these, particularly when I already have several pairs of cutoffs in my collection, and so I'm not desperate for another pair. Next is the Marlyn Schiff Coatile multi-strand bracelet. It is $38. I won't be keeping this mostly because it pulls the hairs on my arm, and that's not very comfortable, so no on that. Next we have the Marlyn Spruce Hannah V-neck pocket tee. They sent it to me in a large. I do feel like it fits true to size. There's generally nothing wrong with this t-shirt except for I just don't like the pocket on it. It's $28. I think that's a great price for this t-shirt, actually. And I really wish that I'd liked it just a little bit more. And again, I may look back and be like, maybe, but I think I can get a similar t-shirt without the pocket from Amazon. So there's that. And then finally is the Luck Rachell tie detail halter top. They sent it to me in a large, also runs true to size. It's $38. I think that's a great price. This was really cute. I just don't know that I love this for my closet, but I'll think about it. So there's that. And then of course, I have the Marlyn Spruce tank top, and I don't even know what this is called. It's the Rex knit top. This one is in a coral. I got it in a large. It does run true to size. I have it, I think, in every colorway that it's available in. I have it in like a pink and gray and white stripe. I have it in like a yellow tie-dye. I love this tank top. It's really comfortable, and it's going to be a staple for summer. I'm probably going to wear them until I wear them out. By the end of the summer, I will probably need to replace them. So there's that. As far as the box goes, if you keep everything, you save 25% off your purchase. I clearly won't be keeping everything. I'm not sure if I'm keeping anything, to be quite honest. If you were to purchase all the items without a discount, it'd be $211.50. The 25% discount is $52.88, making the total for the box $158.62, which is not bad. This wasn't a bad box, particularly since I didn't ask for anything specific. It was literally a turnaround box. I sent back my last Stitch Fix and they were like, let us send you another one. And I was like, okay. So I didn't have anything in mind. I didn't leave a note for Mary. She just went for it and I let her. And I'm not mad about anything in this box. This was a perfectly good box. I'm just picky. And at this point, I really do need to be, because I have limited space in my closet, which is the reason I was doing a closet cleanse. So I need to be very careful about what comes in, and then be thinking about what's going to go out, you know, if I bring something new in. So I am being a little particular right now. And it's like some of those things are small details, like pockets. Like, really, who cares? I do. So I have to think about these things, but I would love to hear what you all have to say about what was in this box, what you liked and what you didn't like. Leave it all in the comments below. If you've watched this far, you should totally subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, because it helps me out so much. But I would love to have anybody new here as a member of our community, and for those of you who are returning, thank you so much. I love having conversations with you guys in the comments. Love hearing all your feedback. Keep it coming. And until the next video, live with love.